Hello, this is Tami Goodwin, and I am here with my incredible clients, Craig and Wanda. So I want you guys to tell me a little bit about the process. So I'm going to ask you a few questions, and y'all can tell us about the process. So, Craig, how long have you and I been working together?
We've been working together about 10 years.
About 10 years. And it's been great. So I know this last time when we got back connected, you had reached out to me on message through Facebook.
Yeah.
And you were working with another agent. How was that going?
It was kind of slow. It wasn't going fast enough. So, I had to try to, find somebody that gonna help me.
Did you find somebody to help you?
I found somebody to help me. Right here, Tami, Goodwin.
That's right. And so when I found you on Wanda again, I was like, you probably don't remember me. I'm like, Craig, I remember you. I remember exactly who you are. And so I started working with you on Wanda, and how many days was it?
The same, like one day.
Yep, the first day you guys went out, y'all came to this new construction subdivision where you bought at. Craig, what did I tell you when you walked into this subdivision? What did I tell you not to do with the guy?
He told me don't say that to the guys.
So he told you some information, I know. And what information did he give you about that?
He told me I want to pay $30,000 and then plus the deposit.
Okay, so he told you how to put $30,000 down for your earnings money plus a deposit.
Yes.
Now, when you and I started working together, and I reached out to Gina, who works on the property, because I had called her before, what did we work out for you?
I ain't have to pay that $30,000. I know that.
Right. It was reduced to 12,
Yeah.
even though we used an outside lender and not the builder's lender.
Yeah.
And she also gave us $8,000 in closing costs.
Yeah.
Nobody was getting that. I don't even think nobody over here got that $8,000.
Probably.
I mean, I'm being honest.
So I got the best realtor in the land.
The ATL.
That's right. And what's my name?
The closer.
That's right. Thank you guys so much. It's been a pleasure working with y'all, and enjoy this beautiful home.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.